Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
We already know about value adding and non-value attribute to the products. Non-value adding attribute means those tasks that do not add any value or any usefulness to the customers. Now let us see some of the causes of the waste of motion. The first is poor layout and housekeeping. The remedy of this cause would be good layout and good housekeeping. We will study separately about good layout in the Greenbelt course later. The second cause is disorganized workplace and storage locations, and this can be sorted out with the 5S. Third is unclear or non-standardized work instructions. This can be sorted out with the standard operating procedures and work standardization. We will study about work standardization also later in this course. The fourth point is unclear process and materials flow, which can be improved with the proper process planning and process maps. We will also study about the different process maps such as value stream map and the spaghetti diagram in this course. These two diagrams helps to sort out the clear process and materials flow. This is 5S, which is one of the important measure of sorting out the waste of motion. 5S is a Japanese term, and when we translate it into English, it becomes the 5 process. First one is sorting, second set in order, third step is signing, fourth step is standardizing, and the fifth stage is sustaining the improvements. 5S is a 5-step method originally taken from 5 Japanese words which helps in housekeeping and visual workplace management. The first step or sorting means removing unnecessary items from each area. So in the first step, we remove unnecessary items from the service or the manufacturing line. Set in order, second step, means to organize and identify storage for efficient use. Third step, signing, means cleaning and inspecting each area regularly. The fourth step, standardizing, incorporates 5S into standard operating procedure, and the fifth stage or sustaining means assigning and tracking the responsibility and making continuous improvements in a cycle. We will study about 5S and process mapping, which are the two methods in depth in the Greenbelt certification course. We will learn them in the Analyze section and the Improve section of Six Sigma Greenbelt certification phase.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.